Hey everybody, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my Kono carry-on suitcase. The suitcase has two compartments on each side. On the right, you have straps to hold in all your stuff, and on the left, you have a zipper closure so that nothing gets lost or falls out. And you can see I'm able to pack enough for a little road trip in the suitcase. I have this suitcase in the color turquoise, but I love all of the color options from Kono. It's really lightweight, and it has a lot of great features like sturdy wheels and a TSA lock, which you can customize. So you can change it to the 3-digit code of your choice, and then it's really easy to just pop it open. I love this great feature. I was wanting a suitcase that is both sturdy and lightweight, and this definitely checks both boxes. As you can see, this spinner suitcase has 4 wheels that work great on uneven surfaces and do not get caught. The handle also has 3 different heights that you can choose from depending on what works best for you at the moment. And it also has these YKK zippers that are really durable and are not going to break off. This carry-on suitcase is the perfect size. It comes in these gorgeous colors like this beauty that I have, and it's really solidly built. So it has great wheels, great handles, and it's just going to be an all-around great carry-on for your next trip. So check it out. I think you're going to love it, but that's just my point of view.